Harus menang lagi, lebih banyak lagi.
This year, our team at Ecomantra was super honored to win the Good Design Australia Award for Begawan Biji, a project that blends traditional Balinese design with modern sustainable principles. We use reclaimed materials, natural cooling, and on-site water treatment. Begawan is a grassroots organization that is committed to a nature conservation program for the critically endangered Bali starling and a regenerative rice program in Bayat village.
I am Hanif, one of the sustainability consultants in Ecomantra. We are here today in the award-winning wetlands area of Sydney Park. This wetland biome was made to preserve the original ecosystem of the park and to also mitigate flooding and also increasing the biodiversity of the area. I see the potential of Indonesia and especially Bali adopting these types of development and upgrades to our parks and public areas to mitigate environmental degradation and also regenerate the ecosystem.
Mana bang?
Kayak street photography banget.
Di bawahnya ada kayak reflective surface dan ternyata itu motorized, jadi bisa digerak-gerakin gitu. Fungsinya itu untuk mendistribusikan cahaya di sekitar sini. Jadi kalau kita selidiki lebih lanjut lagi, dia terkoneksi dengan wastewater treatment dan segala macam. Salah satu bangunan yang perlu dicontoh gitu ya, gimana mendesainnya, bagaimana ngoperasinya buat Indonesia. Keren banget.
Sustainability in Indonesia have been implemented long before we know the word sustainability through Indonesian vernacular architecture and where we use locally available materials and adjust our building design to suit the various climates of Indonesia.
Kita udah di stasiun, mau jalan cuman malu-malu, jadi bisik-bisik aja.
As many of our movements have begun, it all starts with one person. One person to educate, inspire, and move the many. My story begins with my building physics professor, Dr. Eri, where he asked my class whether we are experiencing water problems, as there were 12 dormitory buildings housing thousands of students, and all of which are relying on the groundwater from the same aquifer. Thank you to pick up our trophy for the Biji Begawan.
The award here deeply about how design is understood by the general population.
Tadi acaranya itu keren.
Keren banget.
Keren banget ketemu sama orang-orang keren. Karena mereka kan basically semuanya winner ya.
Pokoknya tuh the best in design, harus menang lagi, lebih banyak lagi. The Good Design Australia Award goes not only to me, but to my team back in Ecomantra, who's hard at work every day, trying to bring about a change to our beautiful earth.
Special appreciation for Blanco Studio. The architecture really grounded the whole experience. Also, Deborah and Bradley Gardner for your trust throughout the design process. And thank you to all the collaborators behind the project.
And also to you, to us Indonesians, to start talking about the environment, talking about how we need to change, how we live our lives, how we design, how we construct our built environments, and how we operate our buildings. Start talking, start learning, start understanding. And through understanding and educating each other, then we can change the world. Jika 1000 orang tua bisa mencabut Semeru dari akarnya, maka mulai dari kita 10 pemuda, mari kita guncangkan dunia bersama.